so there you have it. This is me with the finished construction of this wig. Took me a second there to think, guys. I'm so exhausted and I'm so tired. So yeah, the only thing that I did to this wig once I did the unboxing was that I washed the wig. I did go ahead and pluck the part in a bit more. I created a bit more baby hairs on the closure, and I did pluck the front a bit more because it looked a bit too dense and wiggy and I did not like that look. But guys, this wig is very price friendly. The hair itself, I have worn it for the past 4 days, so it's almost a week, and I have to say that I freaking love this wig. Like, if you look at that, it has a lot of movement to it, and I have not experienced any tangling, like minimal to none with shedding. Like, I am being straight up honest here, and it's so hard to believe that it only cost $52 for the, well, for the 12 inches $52. If you're getting the 10-inch bob, they sell their 10-inch bob for $50, so still not bad. I just have to say I'm really happy that ATOZWIG reached out to me and asked me to do this review for them, and I have to say I love it. I love it, guys. Don't be standoffish or be scared when you see these price friendly wigs on Amazon, because Amazon wigs are coming through. Like, I can't deny it. I freaking love this wig. Like, I love this wig. This is gonna be like my go-to staple wig, but you know, if I want to know that I'm still looking snatched, I'm still looking good, it being a 12-inch, I don't want to go crazy and cut it a bit more shorter, but I think I will leave it at the 12-inch. I think it's very beautiful, and I did my slight bump at the end with my flat iron, and this is just beautiful. I freaking love it. I love it. I will be back with a update of how it's holding up as time goes by, and yeah, that is pretty much it. I would have to say that, oh, shipping was very shipping was very good as well. It took a couple days to get to me. The seller is very friendly, so customer service is very on point. I did ask questions before agreeing to do the review for them, as well as how she also asked me questions as well, and yeah, I'm just really thankful and grateful for doing it. So yeah, I'm pretty grateful I've accepted to do this review. So anyhow, guys, I love you so much, and please do go out and cut this wig if you're looking for a cheap wig but something that is very good. And it's also, oh yeah, I forgot to mention, it's big head girl friendly, because I'm really shocked and surprised. It actually fits my large head, believe it or not. So I love this wig. So as always, guys, I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys did enjoy your Thanksgiving, because this video will be up after Thanksgiving. So anyhow, love you guys, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.